Do you want to leverage the power of machine learning for your business but lack coding experience, and are you looking to make your work more effective? NextBrain, no, CodeML software takes the complexity out of data science. With just a few clicks, you can build popular machine learning models. We will predict a loan payoff scenario in this tutorial. Don't forget to add financial services to your industries to work with credit risk data. You can click on Financial Services workspace to start observing your dataset. You can see that there is a problem description page where the context of data is given. There is also a short description for each column in the dataset. Let's now move forward to Explore page. You can see the dataset at the top with the data types for each column shown. There is even a distribution of values for each column. There is a correlation matrix just below where the highest value of the linear and non-linear correlations between every two features is displayed on a matrix. You may even more carefully observe your data on the variable correlation graph. You can change x and y-axis variables to get different scatter plots. Now let's learn how to train a model. First, select the column to predict and choose the default column. You can see NextBrain informs you that this is a classification problem. You may also drop some columns from your dataset. However, this method is not advised unless you are sure dropped columns will not affect your model's performance. You can also change the training quality between 1, 5, and 10 minutes. The higher the model trains, the more chance it would result in better performance. Let's choose Performance Quality for this tutorial. There is also the Advanced section. Here, you can add synthetic data to your model. Synthetic data is artificially created and can boost your model's performance. You may even change the optimization metrics to allow your model to prioritize other metrics. However, we leave it as auto for now. At the bottom, you can play with the train-test split ratio. An 80-20 train-test split ratio is generally a good idea. After setting all your parameters, now start training your model. This process can take a few minutes depending on the training quality. After the training is finished, you can see the model summary page. Our model achieved an amazing 98% accuracy. NextBrain will also give you some suggestions to improve your model's performance. For instance, we are told to add more data to our model for a better result. Below, you can see the column Importance Graphs. You can click on Help icons for a comprehensive explanation. You can see this graph shows the effect of each feature on the outcome. You can obtain similar graphs for each target labels and different features. Next, you can observe the Visual Explainability Graph Retarget. Variables are grouped in relation to the values of one or more features in the dataset. At the bottom, there is a model training history. The preprocessing steps taken at training are given below for a transparent training phase. For instance, we can see the synthetic data has around 88% similarity to the original data. For more insights about your model, you can click on the dashboard. You can see a small description of your model on the dashboard page. There is a Sankey diagram right of it showing the flow of predictions. You can trace how different features lead to different outcomes more closely. On a Sankey diagram, accuracy results for both training and test sets are also given on the dashboard. Let's now explore the confusion matrix. You can realize the number of true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives on this matrix. You can also notice how your data is distributed across different target values. We can see our data is actually quite unbalanced. The model's performance compared to a simpler method is also given. You can see your model resulted in 1.3 times better results. Finally, NextBrain provides you with a prediction bar where you can make brand new predictions after entering valid data.